What's going on, fam? It's your boy Rogal here. I'm bringing you a new video today, and I hope you're having an absolute fantastic day. Excuse the mess in the back. My backyard's actually going remodeling right now. A lot of plants everywhere. As you can see in the back, it's a dozen of plants just chilling here. On the good side of things today's video, it's a really big announcement actually. I have a sponsor. I've actually got sponsored, and my sponsor is actually, and I'm probably really hyped. Well, not probably, I'm actually really hyped to work with them. It's the first partner that I've ever had, partners and sponsors. So I mean, I've had a couple of their items in the past that I purchased. You know, the little things that you hang in your car. Probably pop a picture of mine. I have like the little heart that you hold on to when you drift, and then a license plate cover. So those are really two cool items that I've gotten from them, and they've actually sent me a sponsor package, or like a little care package, and I'm actually gonna do a little unboxing for today / review, and see if you guys like something. And if you do, don't forget to use my code right here and save 15% off your purchase. Okay, so we actually have the box here. So
let's admire the amount of times that I actually got interrupted or something came up in the video and I had to pause.
I know one thing that really bothers me as well is my beard. I've been trying to grow this probably for the past 3 years. The longest that I've gone without cutting is probably 6 months. Shut up! Why is it glued so good? That's actually really sticky.
That's what she said.
Alright, let's see. Hopefully you didn't see my address in the back of it. Alright, we're gonna take off the sleeve that the box is actually put in. We have a white box here. I'm going to try and open the box if I can figure out how to do this. Okay, it's kind of tough. As you can see right here. Oh, wait. I was holding it upside down. Okay, so as you can see here right off the bat, we have what does this look like? It's like a paper with like a little thank you letter. Let's see. Alright, so as you can see right here, it technically does say that welcome to, well, I can't read that. It says thank you for joining the brand. You have now access to, I'm not gonna say that because it's probably part of what it is, and I have my own promo code. So I mean, again, if you're interested, Rogue FRS 15% off. Okay, seriously though, thank you. Shout out again, Lord Empire, for sending this in. Setting this to the side. Next, we have a decal actually. So I'm actually gonna end up putting this on my car. As you can see right here, Lord Empire. Really cool. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna set this right here on the table. And they did send me a shirt and a bunch of other stuff. Let's check out the shirt. Okay, it's an extra large, and as you can see right here, it's actually logo, the Lord Empire logo. I almost said the Empire logo, I don't know why. Speed meets luxury, so it's actually really cool. And you know, I'm actually gonna change into this. Okay, so we're back. As you can see, this is the t-shirt, and that's how it looks. It has like the symbol right here. I feel that's really neat. It's really comfortable. A really nice summer t-shirt. Then we have a little pack right here. It has a bunch of stickers. Let's see. We have a little keychain right here. This is really cool as well. Holy focus. There you go. We have the little keychain right here. Really neat. You can just put on your keys, represent the Empire for the one time. We actually have an air refresher as well. I don't know why I said as well like that. Here's this one as well. It's two-sided. You can just hang it up on your car. again represent. It smells really good. If I were to give a smell, it kind of resembles like the black eyes from Little Trees, but it's like a little different. But actually, this one actually smells really good as well. Next, we have another little thank you for your order, and it has a little discount code, so whoever gets it first, it's right here. We're gonna pop it on the screen as well, so whoever gets this code, you have 20% off for your next order. And put this nice thing in the box. We have another sticker with the little demon on the thing. And then we have another couple things. It's another sticker that says sponsored officially. Come on, focus again. There you go. So I am actually sponsored by them. And I mean, I wouldn't be lying in the first place to start with, but here's your proof. It's in a little sticker in the little paper that I got. Then I actually have another decal. I actually like this one. It's really cool. It's like a little devil face, smiley face, smiling devil. So probably gonna put this on my car as well, most likely. More stickers and a sneeze. That was a bad one. Okay, but another sticker says lowered. This one's really cool as well. And then this one's one of my favorites, good vibes and low rides, because you can never go wrong with plastic. And that's it for the box. It's a little box right here. Okay, so I ended up buying my car again. As you can see right here, I have all the stuff that I need to put on. I have like a little vinyl kit thingy. I have the 2 decals, I have water, and I have Invisible glass, but I don't think I can show that because that's a brand. And honestly, the hardest part right now is probably just figuring out where I should put them, because I want to put the Lowered Empire one kind of like either here or in the front. And I'm probably gonna take out the Made in Japan sticker, because it's been a while, and nothing against it, but I don't think I like it anymore. Okay, so I actually decided to put this one, which is the longer one, the Lowered Empire one. I decided to put it like in the middle on the front since I don't have one, and it's gonna add a little bit more style. I need to focus on this. Maybe that'll help a little, but okay. Let's see. Okay. I feel like that worked a little more. I don't know, it doesn't want to focus much, but I like this fits a little better. That works. Okay, but that's pretty much what came in the sponsor box. It was a lot of stickers, a little officially sponsored sticker. It was the decal, the t-shirt that I'm wearing. So pretty sure you can find this t-shirt as well on the website. I highly doubt it's only for the sponsors or the people that are sponsored by them. And I'm gonna make a deal with all of you. So if I get to 100 subs, or I mean when I get to 100 subs, I'm actually going to raffle away a t-shirt and an Amazon gift card for probably like $50. So if you're interested obviously in it, just subscribe, hit the like button, and just help me get to that magic number of 100 people. Once we get there, I'm gonna raffle an Amazon gift card and the t-shirt that I have right here, or not exactly this t-shirt, but a t-shirt of your choice from the website. And yeah, I mean, this is gonna do it for today's video. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in again, and sorry if my previous video was a bit lengthy, but I'm trying to push a little for the 10-minute mark, just so my videos can be posted on the Explore page, on the recommended if people search it up. Today is probably going to be a little shorter just because it was just like a little showcase, unboxing, review, like a hands-on type of thing on a sponsor box, and sometimes what it comes with depending on the sponsor. So Lowered Empire, Manuel, if you're watching this, thank you so much for saying this, bro. I appreciate it. And I'm glad to be part of the movement, you know. It's always a pleasure to help out like a cause, not a cause. It's always a pleasure to represent a brand, because representing comes like with a lot of responsibility a lot of times. And another sneak peek just before I end the video, I'm actually starting to rebuild my engine starting next month. So we're getting close to turbo pretty soon. So I'll leave it on that note. Thank you for watching. It's been Rogue. I hope you have an amazing day and you continue to stay safe out there.